Assalamualaikum. My name is Hasib Khan. Today's the topic of my discussion is Jim Rohn. Jim Rohn was born in 1964 and he achieved the National CPA Award for the motivational speaker in 1985 in just little time. As he quote, "Don't wish it was easier, wish you were better. Don't wish for the less problems, wish you were more skills. Don't wish for the less challenges, wish for more wisdom." The main theme of this quote is that we should never complain. The thing we only do is that we have to change our personal activities. We cannot change the wind, season, or the world. All we can do is to change ourselves. That the first thing that we have to do is to be disciplined. Discipline is the bridge between accomplishments and the goals. As he said, if you don't design your own life plans, chances you will fall into someone else. And guess what? If they do plan for you, guess what? There will be not much in their plans. So all we have to do is to design our life plans. And as he said, days are the most expensive things that we have in our life. So make sure you have to spend your days wisely. Thank you.
Great, very good. Thank you. Good job.